Hello guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm going to give you an update on the impending blizzard for New England, New Jersey, and New York. Let's do this. Start off with the HRR for radar reflectivity. Look at, see these snow bands coming out of New York area and Pennsylvania. These will be heading east-northeast throughout the day. Let's go to around the evening. Look at this. This time is showing all of this snow strengthening over over New England. Go back, go to hour 10. Notice how it keeps strengthening. I would not be surprised if many areas end up with 3 to 6 inches by 10 p.m. tonight in New England based on this image. It's really thumping on Cape Cod at this moment. Let's go to hour 11. Starts tapering off. This is going to be a little bit of a few hour snow hole in New England, while New Jersey keeps getting walloped. I expect New Jersey to get around a general 3 to 7 inches. Maybe more where the trough sets up, if it sets up somewhere. Hour 12. The band over New Jersey shifting northeastward. 13, still shifting northeastward. 14, 15. Look at this. Look at the heavy snow off the ocean. That's heading northeastward. Eastern Massachusetts, Maine, and parts of New Hampshire will get crushed. I expect, on my map I put a widespread 10 to 16 inches for many parts of Eastern Mass into Maine and New Hampshire. Let's go see the snowfall from this. Alright, here's the snowfall the HRR is going to be depicting. Let's go hour 1. At this point, snow is just beginning to expand over Pennsylvania and areas in New York. Let's just jump to hour 5 or 6. Notice how mountains are slowly rising in western New York, western Pennsylvania, even central Pennsylvania. Hour 10. Look at many areas in New England, few areas in New Jersey will end up about 1 to 4 inches of snow by this time. Hour 11, hour 12, hour 13. Shows a general 1 to 4 inches, maybe isolated 5 across Massachusetts and the rest of New England. While New Jersey it shows 1 to 3, Long Island shows about the same. Central New York it shows a little bit more because of better banding. Let's go to hour 14, 15. This is where the band expands. Hour 15 on the HRR model and heads northeastward. So I expect many areas in New England to reach 10 to 16 inches by about 4 p.m. Sunday. Sunday is going to be where the main blizzard hits, especially in the morning in New England and late at night Saturday for New Jersey, Long Island, and New York. Alright, let's go see the WRF. I love this model. It's my favorite model. Alright, I love using this model since the range goes out a little farther to 60 hours instead of 15. Let's see what the WRF has to say. Or the 4KM NAM. Shows snow overspreading Massachusetts at this time. 6 hours out, which is 1 p.m. Saturday on this model. 7 hours, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look at this. Heavy snow overfilling Eastern Mass. This is why I like 10 to 16 inches. Look at this. I'm not even looking on the snow maps because I hate the NAM snow maps. I should say. I love the reflectivity, but the snow maps does not match. 12, 13, 14. Snow. By hour 13, snow is still thumping, but by hour 14 it shows the snow slowly tapering off. Hour 15. By the way, where it says green, it's not actually raining. It's just having problems. 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at these bands coming off the ocean for Massachusetts. These are expected to come farther south and east. Southwest. But I think anywhere west of Worcester, I just don't like that area. I'm going to say about 3 to 7 inches for that area. Let's go to hour 22, 23. Look at these bands in Eastern Mass. Look at them. These would be heavy. This is where the blizzard would hit. From Sunday from 1 a.m. to about 11 a.m. is going to be the worst, in my opinion. I'm not going to look at any NAM or GFS models in this video because this is like nowcasting and short range model time. Right, let's go look at the RAP. Alright, here's the RAP's depiction. It shows, this is actually pretty accurate to the radar right now. A snow band over western New York, slowly moving east. This won't move much throughout the day. So areas in western New York, I suggest about 6 to 14 inches. Big range, big range. Let's go to hour 6 immediately. Wait a second, it hasn't even updated. Let's just go to hour 1. This is a trend. See how the precip begins to somewhat explode over southern New England. This is the start of it. Southern New England. Yeah, New Jersey, there's a band over northwestern New Jersey. That one, I'm not so sure in that one. Let's go to another model. Let's go see what, might as well look at the GFS. Actually not GFS, I mean the SREF probability. Here's probability of at least 1 inch of snow. Shows a very good chance across northern Jersey, all of New England, all of New York, most of Pennsylvania, even parts of western Virginia and western North Carolina. Let's go to 4 inches. This is 4 inch. The chances 100% still across southern New England. I might have to raise up snow accumulations later, like I did like I did last night, where I had my map like that. Let's go to 6 inches. So very, very high chance across southern New England. That's 100% chance in the next 24 hours. 30 hours, I should say. 10 inches. This is 10 inches. Still good 50 plus chance across Massachusetts. This is where I don't think it's correct in western Massachusetts. I think the red area should be more east and spread through Maine. Let's go 12 inches. Still good chance. It's 30 to 70% chance that areas get 12 inches in the orange. 16, I don't expect much people get 16 besides in Maine. Still shows about 30% chance in southern New England. 24. I put a 24 or 16 inch plus zone in Maine because of this. Look at, it's a higher chance there. It's about 30% chance of seeing over 24 inches. So I have been concerned that many forecasts may bust in this storm. I'm going to say that now because the storm is very dynamic, to say the least. There's going to be a trough. Troughs are incredibly difficult to predict. So that has me kind of concerned about most forecasts busting, especially on the trough. That's the hardest area to predict. In southern New England, there's probably going to be a snow hole sometime between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. and then it really starts picking up. Blizzard conditions tomorrow morning. Blinding snowfall rates and whiteout conditions due to wind picking up snow on the ground and throwing it everywhere. Have a great day, southern New England, New Jersey, and Long Island followers.